Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me another mail find, but I unwrapped it because my address would be on the big package, so we have this right now. And yes, this is insane because they packed it in a hard plastic container. Like, what? This is so nice. I mean, like, how often do your senders send you something in a hard plastic container? I mean, this was wrapped up in an envelope. And this was registered mail too, but he put it in a hard plastic container. That's like something I've never ever seen before for a Tomica seller. Like, oh my, what the heck? That's so cool. I mean, yeah, apart from the bubble wrap, which I like to pop, right? Anyway, this is insane. I've never seen anyone send cars in a freaking system of containers, or a brand like that. Just use Systema for the brand because everyone knows that. Like, what in the world? This is insane. I have to give him a shout out. Probably put his name or whatever in the description. But hey, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this awesome packaging. I should learn some stuff from you because why not? And anyway, let's get into the cars. Very well packaged. Like, holy crap! Like, in an actual container. That's so cool. What? Mini lock containers? So I think he just buys this to send this to people. I don't know, but that's really cool. So we have two cars for this haul or mail find. And the first one is the 2009, I think. Is it the 2009 one? There's no year. Oh, 2003 should be Tokyo Motor Show. Correct me if I'm wrong. This one is the Toyota Will Cypher, and this one is a Kuji, just a random model. So let's just have a look. Hey, maybe this one's the Aventador SV, or maybe well, let's just open this one first. Okay, well, I get my screwdriver, and this one is a really cool color scheme right here, the light blue. Some wordings on the side. For the front, we have a really nice logo, which is the same as on the box. And well, actually, I should take the car out from the plastic. Yeah, your really cool front light tampos and all your front details. And for the back, we have your silver rear light tampos. The boot opens, and yeah, really cute. For the base, just to let you know, it's a Will Cypher from 2003, number 88. So let's get this one back in, and let's see what the Kuji is. Honestly, I have no idea what that one is, so well, let's open it up. I've put back that one already. So, oh, and it's a green truck. What is it? Green truck? Oh, it's this guy. Let me open them up and see what it actually is. So, this one is like 90% plastic. This is die-cast, the rest is plastic. And oh, look, a chrome front grille, really big. And elf, so it's an Isuzu elf. Really nice green for the windscreen, not really seen anymore, which matches the rest of the truck. This one has a full suspension, really nice and pretty smooth. The backhoe right here moves in all directions and also spins around. So you can just take stuff out like that, I guess, and turning back, we can just store it like that. So really cool. And we have your little wheel arch right there in plastic, pretty detailed for a Kuji. And yeah, driver's seat right there for the cruising part, and the front, of course. So for this side, we have a bunch of details on the side, all plastic, and for the base, also plastic. Tomica number 49, made in China, Isuzu Elf. Isuzu Elf FF, my pack. So Isuzu Elf. Oh my god. Hopefully the actual car and from the black box wasn't totally plastic like this, because that would be a bit disappointing. But since it's a Kuji, I can't really complain. It's actually pretty nice, I agree. For the base, yeah, the next bit of detail right there, but also just pretty much plastic. Like, the entire car is nearly totally plastic. So I guess that's pretty much it for today's mail find, and really love this box, so I'm just gonna keep that to store some cars. Maybe the Civic Type R or something. So anyway, yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.